Rudram Balaram Shivanam Shivanam Sundarbhujam Prasannavanam Guru Dasmai Guru Brahma Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Parabrahma Saraswati Namaskubhyam
Slow. Okay, very good. Very nice. So, okay, let us start now. Mokshita Rai, guess what happened? Why did you send me the message? Mokshita, if you have any doubt, just unmute yourself and speak, okay? Don't send any messages. So, let us start the session now. So,
Okay, ma'am.
someone tell me what concept are we learning in this unit?
Communication.
Communication, yes. But in the beginning, yes, good. But in the beginning of the unit, we have learned a different concept. What was that? Anyone remember? Beginning of this unit, other than modes of communication. Yes. One by one. Yes, Harita, tell me what was that? Harita, what did we learn? See, whomever name I call out, only they have to unmute and speak. Okay, Harita, now tell me what was that concept we learned? Modes of
Land transport, water transport, air transport.
Okay, good. So land transport, water transport, and air transport, right? So now Arnav, tell me what is land transport? Arnav,
Yes,
what is land transport?
Bus.
Yes, it is an example of land transport. What is land transport? Ante enti land transport ante? Where does the vehicles move in land transport?
Car.
Yes, car is an example. But where does the vehicles move? Land transport lo vehicles ekkada move avutayi?
Road.
Yes, on road or land. Vehicles that move on road or land are called land transport. Okay, good. Now Bhavesh, what is water transport? Bhavesh?
What? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavesh, tell me what is water transport?
What is on drive water, ma'am?
Yes, vehicles that move in water are called water transport.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now,
Yeah.
Sana, tell me what is air transport?
Move vehicles which flies in air.
Flies in air.
Yes, vehicles that move or fly in air are called air transport,
Air
right?
transport.
Air transport.
Okay, good. Now, I'll show you a few pictures. You need to identify what transport it belongs to, what mode of transport, okay? See, whomever name I call out, they need to answer, okay? Now, Ritvika,
Ma'am.
can you tell me what transport is this?
Land transport.
What is this vehicle name?
Truck.
Yes, this is a truck and it belongs to Land transport.
transport.
Okay, good. Now, Joachit, what is this? Joachit, unmute.
Bicycle, ma'am.
Bicycle, and what transport is this?
Land transport, ma'am.
Why are you looking at your mom? You don't know? Now tell me one more example for land transport then.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me one more example. One more vehicle.
Example చెప్పు land transport.
This is bicycle and one more.
Oh,
What other vehicles move on road?
అక్కడ చూడు మేడం
Road పైన ఇంకా ఏ vehicles వస్తాయి on road?
Bicycle, car,
Okay, car. Yes.
bicycle,
Good, good.
car, scooter.
Enough. Now Adya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Adya, tell me what is this vehicle?
This is air transport and it's aeroplane.
Very good, Adya. This is aeroplane and this is air transport which moves in air. Good.
Ma'am.
Nitish, what is this? Nitish,
Bus, ma'am.
bus. And what mode of transport it belongs to?
Land transport.
Yes, this is bus and it belongs to land transport. Good. Now Kartikeya. Kartikeya, tell me what is this? Unmute. Yes, tell me. Ship. Good, ship. And what transport it belongs to?
One.
Where does the ship move? Once again.
Transport.
Yes, good. This is ship and it belongs to water transport. Good. Now Suvid, what is this?
Scooter. Scooter, ma'am.
Scooter. And what mode of transport?
Land transport, ma'am.
Yes, good. This is scooter and it belongs to land transport. Now Kiranya. Unmute Kiranya. Yes, Kiranya.
It is the boat, ma'am.
Okay, this is boat and what transport it is?
Water transport, ma'am.
Very good. This is a boat and it is water transport. Now, Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this, Vaibhav?
Water transport.
Auto transport.
Auto remote.
What vehicle is this? Auto rickshaw and it belongs to what mode of transport?
Land.
Land transport. Good. Chaturya.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaturya. Yes, Chaturya, tell me. What is this?
This is van, ma'am. Van.
Van and what transport it belongs to?
Land transport.
Good. Land transport. Now, Mokshit Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Helicopter, ma'am.
Helicopter. Good. Helicopter which belongs to land transport. Air transport. Yes. And now, Mokshit Sairam. Tell me what is this? Mokshit Sairam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is this picture? What vehicle is this, Mokshit?
Boat.
Boat and it belongs to
Water.
water transport. Okay, good. And Nakshatra,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this?
Aeroplane, ma'am.
Aeroplane and what transport it belongs to? What mode?
Air transport, ma'am.
Air transport. Clear? Why are you thinking so much? Can you give me one more example for air transport?
Ma'am,
Yes, one more vehicle.
sir,
Huh?
helicopter,
Okay, good, good. Now, Manogna, truck, and it belongs to?
land transport,
Very good. It belongs to land transport. Purvit, 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 unmute. You're on mute, Purvit. Not able to hear you. Yourself.
sheep,
Ship, yes, ship belongs to?
water transport, ma'am.
Very good. It belongs to water transport. Okay. Now, Jashvita.
Yes,
Jashvita,
ma'am.
what is this?
Van,
Van, and it belongs to?
land transport.
Very good. Land transport. Vasavi?
Mummy,
Vasavi? Unmute.
ma'am.
Vasavi?
Helicopter,
Helicopter, and it belongs to?
and transport.
Huh? Clear.
Air,
Air transport. What does air transport mean? Air transport ante?
ma'am.
Galilo, it moves in air, it flies in air. Vehicles that fly in air are called air transport. Okay. Now, Harvesh. Harvesh. Harvesh, unmute and tell me what is this? Harvesh, are you here? Boat. Okay. What transport it belongs to? Harvesh, your video is not on. Yes, Harvesh, tell me what is this?
Water transport, ma'am.
Water transport. Okay. What is water transport? What does that mean? Water transport ante?
Boat.
Ante boat. That is example. What does that mean? Vehicles that move on water. Okay.
Water.
Now, okay, good. Sai Dikshit,
Ma'am.
tell me what is this?
Scooter, ma'am.
Scooter. And what mode of transport is this?
Land transport, ma'am.
Yes, this is land transport. Very good. So, did I miss anyone? Did I miss any? Who? Who is that?
Bhavesh.
Bhavesh, I've already asked you. Yes, Tanuj. Tanuj miss. Tanuj, yes, Tanuj. Tanuj, tell me what is this? Auto. And what mode of transport it belongs to? Land transport. What is land transport?
Bicycle.
Not example. Where does this all move?
Wrong. Car, bus, train.
Yes, where does this all move? ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తాయి ఈ వెహికల్స్ అన్ని?
రోడ్డు మీద పోతాయి మ్యామ్.
Yes, road. We see these vehicles on road and land. These are called land transport vehicles. Anyone else? Did I miss anyone else? Please let me know, okay? Everyone got a chance, right? Yes. Now, yes, to summarize, there are three modes of transport: land, water, right? Land, water, and air.
Air transport.
Yes. So, land transport means Vehicles that move on land or road are called land transport. And vehicles that move in water are called water transport. Vehicles that fly or move in air are called air transport. Clear? Okay. Now everyone open your workbook. All of you open your workbook. Worksheet 52. Worksheet 52. Yes, someone please open that and let me know the page number, no? 89. Okay. 89. Thank you.
Ma'am, what is the page number, ma'am?
Page number is 89, it seems.
89.
Find the word there. TH இங்க இருக்கு பார் ஸ்பெல்லிங்.
Yes.
THERE சொல்லிக்கிட்டே பண்ணு. THERE.
Okay. So now listen to me. That worksheet is about sight word there. Okay. So the first part would be identifying the sight word there and circling it. Okay. And then the next part would be reading the sentences and then circling the sight word there. What happened, Bhavesh? Okay, and then the last part would be connecting the letters to make the spelling there and writing it. Can you do it after the class? Easy, no? Let us read a story now. Will you do it, everyone? Is it a yes from everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we'll read a story now.
Okay.
Shall we? Okay. Now, see, look at the screen. This story is not in your books, I guess. But maybe it's in student today SR4. But for now, look at the screen, everyone. Look at the screen. The name of the story is How Many Wheels? Okay, we have learned about different vehicles, right? In land transport, air transport, water transport. Now, let us see how many wheels those vehicles have. Okay, how many wheels? The name of the story is How Many Wheels? Okay. Look at the first picture. Wheels help things move. How does the wheels help? Wheels help the things to move. Okay. Then the next one is, this is a unicycle. This is a unicycle. See, look at the picture, unicycle. It has one wheel. It is not a bicycle. It is a unicycle and it has only one wheel. Okay. And the next picture is, this is a bicycle. This is a bicycle. It has two wheels. Right? Did you all open your book? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It has
So,
wheel.
now look at this picture. This is an auto. How many wheels does an auto have?
Rekha ma'am, it is there in SR ma'am.
Yes, Soundarya, SR4.
Yeah, it is there in student reader.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, This is an auto, and how many wheels does an auto have? Yes, auto has 3 wheels. And the next picture is, this is a car and it has 4 wheels. How many wheels? 4 wheels. Yes.
Four wheels.
And now look at this picture. This is a train. It has many wheels. How many wheels does a train have? Yes, train has many wheels. And what is the other picture? A boat. Boat, right? How many wheels does boat have? No wheels. Then how will that move? How will the boat move? How will the boat move if it doesn't have any wheels? 4? No. Boat. How many wheels does a boat have? No wheels. It doesn't need any wheels because it is not moving on road. It just moves on water, right? For the vehicles that moves in water don't require wheels. Okay, it just moves like that in water. Okay. Sorry? With? Bhavesh? Okay. Okay, now can you tell me how many wheels does a bicycle have? 2 wheels. Very good. And how many wheels does an auto have?
Auto.
Yes, auto has 3 wheels. And how many wheels does a car have? 4 wheels. Very good. And how many wheels does a train have? Train has many wheels. Okay. And how many wheels does a boat have? No wheels. And how many wheels does a unicycle have? Unicycle? Yes, unicycle has only 1 wheel. Okay, good. Now, let us read few words, okay? Close your book and look at the screen, all of you.
క్లోజ్ చేసి స్క్రీన్ చూడండి క్లోజ్ యువర్ బుక్ స్క్రీన్
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Mokshit Sairam, can you read out the first word? What is that first picture?
Crab.
Crab. So how do you read that word? What is the blend there?
See?
What is the blend here?
Kra.
Kra is the blend. Kra is the blend and crab. Crab.
Crab.
Crab. Crab. Right?
Crab.
Good. Now Tanuj. Tanuj, can you read out the next word?
Crab. Crab.
Next one. After crab, what is it? Crop.
Crop.
Yes. Crop. Very good. Nakshatra. Next word.
Crib, ma'am.
Crib. How do you read that?
క్రిబ్ క్రిబ్
Yes. Crib. Right? Very good. Now, Suvit. Next one. Huh? Fret. What is that? What is the blend there? What is the blend? Fra.
Fred.
Yes, fret. Blend is fra, and we read it as fra et. Fret. Okay. Good. Now, Nitish.
Frog.
Nitish, can you read out the next word?
Frog. Frog.
Yes, frog. Very good. Now, Adya. Adya, next one.
Frog.
Frog. Frog is over. Next one. Last picture.
Frank.
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 Very good. Frank. Yes, good. Now, Mokshit Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. The next one.
Chip. Chip.
Be clear once again. Tell me once again.
Chip.
Yes, good. What is the blend here? Tra is the blend. Good. Tra, e, pa. Trip.
Chip.
Okay, good. Kiranya, the next word. Kiranya, are you here? Okay. Purvit.
Ma'am, Kiranya, ma'am.
Yes, Kiranya. Tell Kiranya.
Frog, ma'am.
Not frog. After trip, what is that? Last line, second picture. Trim. Good. What is the blend there? Blend is tra. Trim. Okay. Good. Yes. Purvit. The next one. Purvit. Okay, Harvesh. Okay. Any one of you. Okay, Purvit, tell me. Tra, how do you read out that?
Tram.
Yes, tram. Good. Now, Jashvita.
Grab.
Sorry. 1 second.
Grab.
Jashvita.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Grab. How do you read out that? Gra is the blend here. So gra. B. Good. Grab. Right. Chaturya. The next one.
Grid.
What blend is
How do you
that?
read out that?
Grid.
How did you read that?
Grid.
Gra? Gra?
Grid.
Yes,
Gra.
break it into sounds and tell me. Grid. Okay, good. Okay, now Joachut.
What blend is that? GR blend. Gr blend.
Joachut, the next one.
G.
Joachut. Okay, Bhavesh.
Ma'am.
Bhavesh, tell me what is that last one?
Green, ma'am.
Grin. Yes. How do you read out that?
Green.
Very good. Grin. Right. Okay. Let me check if there are any other words. Hmm. Okay. Now, who is left over? Manogna? Manogna? Manogna, read out this word at the bottom. Manogna, are you here? Brag. Yes.
Yes,
What is the blend here? What is the blend? Hmm. Hmm. Brag. Brag. Yes, yes. Brag. Okay. Okay, okay. Yes, good. So tomorrow we'll read few more words, okay? And just a small announcement. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow is a holiday for online classes. There's no online class tomorrow, and evening classes will be from 3 to 3:40, not from 5 o'clock. Okay, timings have changed. You
See, don't forget to join from 3 to 3:40. Okay, so it was only 2 kids.
Okay, you need to join at 3 o'clock, not 5. 3 to 3:40 will be the evening session. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and tomorrow there is no online classes. Whoever willing to go to
Ma'am,
school.
3 to 3:40 classes, ma'am.
Yes, 3 to 3:40 is evening class, online class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
It
So
is not
after
at 5. It will not start at 5. It will start at 3. Okay, 3 to 3:40, not 5 to 5:40.
yes.
You should join at 3.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay
ma'am.
then. Bye.
Bye, Sonia.
See you all. Students who are coming to school. See you all tomorrow, and the online students see you on Thursday. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Bye. 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 Bye.
And do complete the worksheet. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.